Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a side dish using citron. It is called Herlekai in Kannada, Narthanga in Tamil. I have taken ingredients for this are citron, rasam powder, jaggery, salt according to taste, oil. The link of the rasam powder recipe I have given in the description box. First what we have to do, we have to cut this and take out the juice and proceed the next procedure. Now first I have cut the citron, we will squeeze out the juice out of it. We will squeeze all the juice and continue the next procedure. I have taken juice out of the citron. Now don't waste this. We will cut this into small pieces and use in the dish. Now I have cut the citron skin into small pieces. Now we will temper this and cook. For tempering, I have taken hing, mustard seeds and turmeric powder. Now switch on the stove, take a pan, add oil to it. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now oil is heated, add hing around half a teaspoon of hing. Now add mustard seeds. Then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add the pieces of the citron peel to it. Don't waste the fiber also. You cut it along with the skin. Mix it thoroughly and let it cook until the pieces get soft. Now add required amount of salt to it. I am going to add a teaspoon of salt. Mix it thoroughly. Keep the flame in a low one and cover it with a lid until it becomes soft. After 2 minutes, you remove the lid and check whether it is cooked or not. If it has become soft, then we will continue the next procedure. Yes, it is cooked. Now we will add rasam powder to it. Here I am going to add 2 tablespoons of rasam powder. Then we will add the juice of the citron. For this, we will use a strainer so that seeds won't come into the dish. Add all the citron juice to it. Mix it thoroughly. Cook until the raw smell of the rasam powder disappears. Now at this stage, we will add some more salt for the juice of the citron, that is half a teaspoon of salt, and then we will add jaggery, 1 teaspoon of jaggery, and a little amount of water, that is small 1 glass of water or 1 cup of water. Let it allow to cook until it becomes thick consistency. Now this is ready. It is ready to serve. Now the citron side dish is ready to serve. You can serve this as a pickle in the meals. Very healthy and rich in vitamin C. You can have it. You can store this until up to 1 month you can store happily. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.